Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you are enjoying your learning. हम इंडियन कॉन्ट्रैक्ट एक्ट के एसेंशियल्स डिस्कस कर रहे हैं. उसी सीरीज में हम फ्री कंसेंट डिस्कस कर रहे हैं और उसी में आज हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं मिसरिप्रेजेंटेशन. A statement of fact which a person makes at the time of negotiation is known as representation. जब हम किसी से बातचीत करते हैं, हम कुछ बातें सामने रखते हैं और हम ये बताते हैं कि ये बात सच है, दैट इज नोन एज रिप्रेजेंटेशन. अब दो बातें हो सकती है, या तो वो रिप्रेजेंटेशन सही हो या गलत हो. यदि वो रिप्रेजेंटेशन सही है तो वो हमारी चर्चा का विषय नहीं. बट यदि वो रिप्रेजेंटेशन गलत है, देन that is what we have to discuss today. A false representation made unintentionally, innocently is one situation. Second is a false statement is made, but the intention is to cheat the other person. This is second situation. So the first situation is known as misrepresentation and the second situation is known as fraud, which we have already discussed in the previous videos. Section 17 of the Indian Contract Act has defined fraud, and I hope you have all gone through those videos. If you haven't, I'll be sharing the link of those videos in the description today. So kindly watch those videos so you can get your concepts clear. Now, what is the meaning of misrepresentation? Section 18 of the Indian Contract Act defines misrepresentation. When a person positively asserts that a fact is true, when his information does not warrant it to be so, though he believes it to be true. Second thing, when there is any breach of duty by a person which brings an advantage to the person committing it by misleading another to his prejudice. And third, when a party causes, however innocently, the other party to make a mistake as to the substance of a thing which is the subject of the agreement. ये तीन में से कोई भी परिस्थिति हो तब मिसरिप्रेजेंटेशन हुआ है ऐसा हम कहते हैं. I'll just explain the things in very simple language and it will make you understand the things very clearly with simple examples. Okay. First thing is he believes it to be true. So whenever whenever a representation is made and the person believes it to be true, he is not making that representation with the knowledge that whatever he is saying is false, but he himself believes it to be true. Then there is misrepresentation. If he knows that what he is saying is false, then it is fraud. And we have discussed it earlier. Okay. I'll just give you a simple example. Suppose I want to sell my two-wheeler to you. I have parked the two-wheeler. I have come to you. We are negotiating about the price. Okay. And while negotiating about the price, I say that the vehicle is in good condition. I have parked the vehicle is in good condition. And when we are negotiating, someone dashes the vehicle. उस vehicle को कोई ठोस लगा देता है और उस vehicle की condition वैसी नहीं रहती जैसी मैं आपको describe कर रही हूँ. लेकिन इस बात की जानकारी मुझे भी नहीं है, तो जो मैंने आपसे कहा उसे मैं सच मानती हूँ. Okay? तो ये misrepresentation नहीं हुआ. The person making it believes it to be true. When there is any breach of duty and it brings an advantage to the person committing it. There was a case, Delhi versus P. I think it was some in 1889. Okay? का एक केस है जिसमें कुछ डायरेक्टर्स अपने प्रोस्पेक्टस में ये रिप्रेजेंटेशन करते हैं कि their company is authorized to use steam engine. Actually, they believed that their company will be given the permission by the government. But the government denied that permission. So, and later on, the company was wound up. So, the decision given by the court was that the representation made in the prospectus is misrepresentation. It's not fraud, because they were not having the intention to cheat the shareholders, but they themselves believed that government will grant them the permission and they will be able to use steam engine. Okay. Now, another situation. I want to sell my car to you, and I describe that the car is, of course, in good condition, but wherever I keep my car in my home, means the garage of the car is constructed properly. Okay. And when you come to purchase the car, you find that there is a temporary structure in which I keep my car. So you say that I have committed misrepresentation. But is this misrepresentation? No, it's not misrepresentation. Why? Because it's not the subject of the agreement. Okay? हमारे जो अग्रीमेंट का सब्जेक्ट मैटर था वो कार थी, ना कि वो गैरेज जिसमें कार रखी जाती है. तो यहाँ पे आप मिसरिप्रेजेंटेशन के ग्राउंड पे उस कॉन्ट्रैक्ट को तोड़ नहीं सकते. आई होप द कंसेप्ट इज क्लियर. And my statement should have induced you to enter into the agreement. It should be related to the subject matter, first thing. Second thing, that my statements should have induced you to enter into the agreement. Suppose you want to purchase my mobile. I'm ready to sell my mobile and we negotiate about the price. और सब बातें तय हो जाती है and you are ready to purchase. तब तक ना आपने मुझसे पूछा मोबाइल की कंडीशन क्या है या क्या उसकी स्पेशलिटी है, ना मैंने कुछ कहा. Once the deal is final, then I start describing about my vehicle. About my mobile. कि अरे इसके तो ये फीचर्स हैं और बहुत अच्छी कंडीशन है, अभी भी स्पीड अच्छी चलती है. But when you take that mobile, you find that whatever I had said about the mobile is not true. You come and you tell कि आपने misrepresentation किया. तो नहीं, मेरे स्टेटमेंट की वजह से यदि आपने परचेज करने का मन बनाया हो तब ही आप उस पे मिसरिप्रेजेंटेशन के ग्राउंड पे कॉन्ट्रैक्ट को तोड़ सकते हैं. इफ माय स्टेटमेंट हैज इंड्यूस्ड यू टू एंटर इनटू द अग्रीमेंट, only then you can say that there has been misrepresentation. But here in this situation, my statement did not induce you to enter into the agreement, so you cannot rescind the contract on the ground of misrepresentation. तो ये जो सारी बातें हैं ये मैंने आपको सिंपल लैंग्वेज में विद सिंपल एग्जांपल्स एक्सप्लेन कर दी हैं और ये आपके एग्जाम्स के समय आपके लिए बहुत यूजफुल रहेंगे. ये एग्जांपल्स आपको याद रह गए तो आपको कंसेप्ट्स भी क्लियर रहेंगे. Now, what is the consequence of misrepresentation? So, whenever there has been misrepresentation, the aggrieved party has the right to rescind the contract. The contract is voidable at the option of aggrieved party. This is the first option. Second option is that if the party is not willing to break the contract, then it may ask, put me in a condition as if there has been no misrepresentation. मतलब मैं वो टू व्हीलर का एग्जाम्पल बता रही थी कि मैंने पार्क किया और हम नेगोशिएट कर रहे हैं और उसके बाद वो व्हीकल डैमेज हुआ है. तो अब आप मुझसे क्या मांग सकते हैं कि भाई या तो आप व्हीकल की कॉस्ट कम करके दीजिए या फिर रिपेयर करके दीजिए. मतलब उस व्हीकल को उस कंडीशन पे लाकर रखिए और हमें उस पोजीशन में रखिए एज इफ देयर हैज बीन नो मिसरिप्रेजेंटेशन. मतलब जिस तरीके का आपने व्हीकल को डिस्क्राइब किया था उसी कंडीशन पे या तो व्हीकल को ला कर दीजिए या फिर उसकी कॉस्ट कम कर दीजिए, क्योंकि यदि उस व्हीकल की कंडीशन अच्छी नहीं है तो डेफिनेटली कॉस्ट कम मिलने वाली है. तो दीज आर द कॉन्सिक्वेंसेज ऑफ मिसरिप्रेजेंटेशन. आई होप द कंसेप्ट्स आर क्लियर. You can share this video with your friends. This videos will be useful for the students pursuing LLB, those who are doing CA, those who have to study business law, mercantile law or law for managers. So kindly spread the word, subscribe the channel if you haven't yet subscribed. Press the bell icon so that whenever a new video is uploaded, you get the notification. And if you want me to prepare a detailed video on this topic or any other topic, do mention in the comment section. One more thing, I would like to hear from you that what is the best thing you liked in this video. So Kindly comment in the comment section. Thank you. Happy learning. Stay tuned.